and welcome to the session of shell scripting. In last session we have learned the program for address book, in which we have implemented the different functions such as create the address book, display the address book, and insert the record into the address book. Okay, so in this session we will study the next functions of the assignment, that is modify the record and delete the record from the address book. So let us see the algorithm for modify function. As the previous functions, modify function start with ask the user to enter the name of address book, then check if it is available in the current working directory or not. If yes, then ask the user to enter email, check if the email is present in the address book or not. If yes, then modify record using sed command. If not, then prompt the user about it and exit. Okay, and if the database is not there, is in the current working directory, then prompt the user about it and exit. Okay, so I'll start to explain this function. Let me open my program here. So this is my menu driven program. Start with while true do and end with done. Okay, so in this program I'll explain modify function here. By you have to add these cases modify and delete here and here also. Okay, so I have already added these cases for modify and delete. So let us see for the modify function, and you can see here, you can see this initial part up to here, means if len $len is greater than 0 up to here are same as the insert function. So you can copy it as it is and do some minor changes in this by using algorithm. Okay, so ask the user to name of address book, enter the name. Okay, so I'll write here echo enter the name of address book and read it into the one variable. Okay, so next line is the comment. See here, hash is used for comment. Okay, so check the address book is there or not in the current working directory. So how can I check it? I just store this statement in one variable result. res stand for result. So result is equals to, in between single quotes I'll write here ls grep $ab will count the words. The meaning of this statement is I have to search their database AB in the list of files. Okay, next is if statement. If $result is greater than 0, means the meaning of this statement is if the database AB is in the list of files, then I have to enter their email, means echo enter email and read it into one variable email. Okay, the next step is check the email is there or not in the address book. Okay, so let me check it. I'll store this statement in one variable len, same as that this result. Okay, so len is equals to, in between single quote I'll write here cat $ab grep $email will count the words. Okay, so cat $ab means display the database $ab and search their email by using grep command. Okay, so next line is if $len is greater than 0, means email is in this displaying database AB. Okay, then enter modified first name, last name and mobile number, means I have to enter their additional modified functions, records, first name, last name and mobile number. Okay, so I'll write here echo enter modified first name, last name and mobile number. So if email is present, you are going to modify this record, and if not present, then just display the error email is not exist. Okay, so modified first name, last name and mobile number. So for first name the variable is fname, last name the variable is lname, and mobile number the variable is mobile. So read it into one variable. Okay, so this data I'll store in one variable new. So new is equals to, in between single quotes I'll write here echo $fname $lname $email $mobile. Okay, so this entire statement is copied by using this record statement. Okay, only the difference is here is a record variable and here is a new variable. Okay, so sed command is used for modify function. Sed command is required for modify function and delete function also. Sed stands for search and edit. Okay, so for sed command you require the new record as well as old record also. So I'll write here old is equals to, in between cat I'll copy this statement up to this grep $email and paste it into the old record. Okay, so we have to find out what was the old record. Okay, so it's nothing but displaying the database and searching email. So if email is found, the grep command will return the complete statement complete statement instead of just email. It return in complete statement in which the email is found, so that it means it's our old record. Okay, so for understanding purpose we will print here old record and new record. So echo old record colon space $old, and similarly for new record is colon space $new. Okay, and I'll write here sed command. Sed stands for search and edit, as you know. -i means inside the file. S is for searching. What I have to search? I have to search their old records. So the in between double quotes I'll write here $old. Double quotes are must to write here. Okay, and I want to search their old record and redirect it into the new record by globally search database $AB. Okay, G is for global search, S is for search, and minus I means inside the file, Z is for search and edit. So the meaning of this statement is I have to search and edit inside the file their old record and redirect it into the new record by globally search database $AB. Okay, so for understanding purpose I will write here one statement, echo record is modified, and if email is not exist there, so print here error, email is not exist, and if database is not there, is in the list of files, then print here error, file is not existing. Okay, so this is my modify function. Let me open the terminal and write here cd desktop / enter ./os1.sh. this is my file name, and these are the functions. Okay, so first I want to show you the database record. So enter choice 2, enter the address book name. As you know, my address book name is company. Okay, so these are the records that I have entered into the database. Okay, so we will modify one of these. So for example, I want to modify this record. Diksha@gmail.com. Okay, so how can I modify it? Enter choice 4 is for modify. Address book name, my address book name is company here. Enter email, I want to modify this record, so email for this is diksha@gmail.com. okay, I want to modify only the last name. Okay, so first name I'll write as it is, last name Bharambe. Okay, so at the place of Patil I write here Bharambe. Okay, and mobile number and press enter. Okay, so you can see here my old record was Diksha Patil, and see my new record is Diksha Bharambe. Okay, and I get the message here record modified. Okay, so let us check our database again. Address book name is company here, enter. So see, this is my database and this is my modified record. Okay, so let's see for delete function. So most of the part of modify is same for the delete, so copy it as it is. For delete function, enter the name of address book, read it into one variable. If the address book is there in the current working directory, then enter email there, and enter email. If email is there is in the address book, then I have to enter their old record only. There is not required for the new record. Okay, so old record is equals to in between single quotes I'll write here cat $AB grep $email. The meaning of this statement is I want to search their email in the display database $AB, in the display database this AB. Okay, and sed command is required for both modify and delete function. So I'll write here sed, stand for search and edit. Inside the file I want to search their old record. Okay, and new there is no need of new record, so this space is blank here. Okay, this space is blank, and G is for global search, and $AB is my database. Okay, so I'll write here one statement for understanding purpose, echo record deleted. Okay, so if the email is present in the database, record will get deleted. Okay, so user just find this old record that we want to delete. Okay, so I'll just open the terminal here and enter choice 6. I want to clear the terminal. So okay, ./os1.sh my file name. I want to delete the record. So first I want to display the records from my file. So my address book name is company here. Okay, so this is my record and I want to delete this record only. Okay, this record Harshada Pawar. Okay, so enter choice for delete is 5. Address book name company, enter email. So I want to delete this record only, so email for this record is harshi@gmail.com. okay, so record, I get the message record deleted. Okay, so let's display it. Company, see my record is deleted. Okay, but there is a space at the place of this record. Okay, so now the record is deleted, but at the place of deleting record there is a blank line. as you can see there is a blank line. Okay, so we will have to remove this blank line also. So I'll just write here, for remove this blank line I'll just write here sed minus I slash and caret is for starting with, dollar is for blank line, okay, slash d dollar ab. Okay, means the meaning of this statement is any line that is starting with a blank symbol, that line is deleted, so it will delete the blank line also. Okay, so let's save it by Control S and run it. Enter choice 6. I want to clear the terminal here. Dot slash os1 dot sh. Okay, so I want to delete, just delete address book name. If I want to delete the address book name is company here. Okay, enter email. I want to delete the apk file there, apk record there. Okay, gmail.com, record deleted. Okay, let's check. Record is deleted and blank line also deleted. Okay, so for example, let's check for let's check for employees database also. I want to delete this one, Krishna Patil. I want to delete this one record. Okay, so what can I do? I just Control S. I just open the terminal. Let me clear the terminal dot slash os1 dot sh. Okay, so display the record, address book name. As you know, my address book name is this, employees. See, this is my record. Okay, and I want to delete this one, Krishna Patil. Okay, so for delete function, enter choice 5, enter address book name, employees, enter mail. I want to delete this one, so email for this one is krishna@gmail.com. Okay, see, I get the message here, record deleted. Okay, record deleted. So let's display it. Display the database. Address book name is employees. Okay, see, my record is also deleted as well as this blank line is also removed. Okay, so in this way the modify and delete functions we are studying. So in this whole address book program I have write various commands. See, I have write various command. Okay, such as which command, just see the program once again. For create function I'll use here grep command, touch command. Okay, for display function I'll use here cat command. Okay, so for insert function I'll use again grep command, again cat command. Okay, for modify function I'll use the new command as sed command. Okay, then minus jt, then s, minus I, g. Okay, these commands. Okay, so in this program, in this whole address book program I have write various commands like touch, cat, grep, sed, minus jt, minus I, s, g are with the reference of instructions of shell programming. You can get this instruction in the Telegram group. I'll post there PDF for the instructions and command as well. The link for the Telegram group is in the description. If you have any doubts and queries, just contact me on the Telegram group. Okay, so good.